We are to evaluate negative 10 plus negative 2 times negative 4 minus negative 2 plus negative 21. For us to answer this problem, we are going to make use of the sign rule. And by making use of the sign rule, we know positive negative is equal to negative. We know negative is equal to positive. Now, if you take down the given problem, we have negative 10 plus negative 2 times negative 4 minus negative 2 plus negative 21. This will simply be equal to negative 10. Applying the sign rule here, we know positive negative is negative, minus 2 times negative 4. We know two negative signs gives us positive, plus 2. We know positive negative is negative minus 21. This will simply be equal to negative 10 minus 2 times, by making use of BODMAS, we are going to start by evaluating what we have in the brackets of negative 4 plus 2 is simply equal to negative 2. When the two numbers have different signs, we subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, ignoring their signs. We know if we ignore the signs of these two numbers, 4 is bigger than 2. Since they have different signs, we are going to subtract 2 from 4, which gives us 2, and the answer will carry the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. So this will give us negative 2 minus 21. This will simply be equal to negative 10, negative 2 times negative 2. We are multiplying two negative numbers. We are going to apply the sign rule, and from the sign rule, it states that if we are to multiply two negative numbers, negative times negative is equal to positive. Negative 2 times negative 2, the result will be positive. 2 times 2 gives us 4 minus 21. This will simply be equal to negative 10 plus 4. You'll see the two numbers, they have different signs. Ignoring their signs, 10 is bigger than 4. We are going to subtract 4 from 10, which gives us 6. To get the result, adding negative 10 with 4, we are going to attach a negative sign to 6. So this will give us negative 6. Negative 6 minus 21. In this case, the two numbers, they have the same signs. For us to get the result, what we are simply going to do is, we are going to add the two numbers, then we give the answer the common sign. In this case, the common sign is negative. You can see 6 is negative, 21 is negative. 6 plus 21 gives us 27. We are going to write down 27, then we attach the negative sign, and this is our final answer. So it therefore means if you take a negative 10 plus negative 2 times negative 4 minus negative 2 plus negative 21, the result will be negative 27. We are done. Thank you very much for watching.